Welcome back to another video. We just got the call. Today is Wednesday. I don't know the date. I think it's the 8th actually. And I forget. But remember, we were waiting on the gloves. And today is the day. So we're gonna head over to Indiana, San Diego. Hopefully it doesn't fucking rain on us, or I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Look at this weather. What the fuck, man? Look at this. Oh, there's a jet. If you can't see this, you probably can't see it. There's a jet flying through those clouds right now. But that's wild. Oh shit, there's traffic. Fuck! Losers? Oh, it never gets old just like sliding through and beating all this traffic. Never gets old. It's a bit chilly. It's actually cloudier than it was earlier today. So now I'm actually kind of sketched. I feel like it might rain on me on my way back. That would be unlucky. Whoa, Jesus. Yo, Prius. You got the right blinker on still. Oh, and you're like all the way over. You're not past? Like, I still got the right blinker on. How does that even work? How do you like still have it on? What the fuck is going on here? The right blinker is still on. That's pretty fucked. Anyway, yeah, we're heading to the Indian dealer, so say goodbye to these gloves, and we'll see what they look like when we get the Indian ones. Ooh, time to get some new Gloverino. Yee-hoo! I didn't buy these gloves on Amazon. I bought them from the Indian dealer. Cough, cough. Wink. Wink. Okay, we'll be right back. You see these gloves now? Will not be long. Alright, Indian. Huh. They're a bit big. But, I don't know. Yeah. Whew. Okay. I mean, I had the Alpine Star large. We'll see what this is like. They don't have any more mediums in stock, so I was gonna go with a medium, but my gloves my last gloves, they were large and they fit pretty well, so I don't know. Well, that was kind of strange. I just walked in there and stole them, basically. I paid for them before, and then I walked in, he handed me the gloves. I was like, anything else? And he's like, nope. I was like, oh. They're fucking sick though. See, the knuckles, they're dope. Yeah, so these gloves, Indian motorcycle 1901. Got the logo on the fingers. That's fucking sexy. But yeah. Alright, we wave to the officer. The officer of the law. Who is this? Assadid? Okay. Fucking ignore me then, that's tight. dude, I guess. I guess it's a saw, dude, okay? Jesus. I'm not used to these gloves, alright? I blame the gloves. I ripped that bitch in neutral. Fuck. Doof. Yeah. I'm just gonna go lay down my bike right now. Jesus. I feel like that's the second time that's happened to me, right? At that same light. Coming back about the glove thing. Fuck. Go. Why are you looking at me? Jesus. Haven't your parents told you not to stare? God. Don't even. It's just weird when they don't wave. God damn. Ah! These gloves are weird! Is it like you gotta break in the gloves? Is that what it is? Because those gloves, the other gloves I have had legit 4 years. I think I have about like 12,000 miles ridden with them. Maybe more. You ever just like think your butt crack's hanging out while you're riding? I think that a lot actually. Like you gotta like whenever you hit the stoplight you fucking make sure your pants are pulled up all the way. Yeah. That's kinda how it gets sometimes. Are we gonna fit? I don't think we're gonna fit, boys. Oof. We're gonna fucking make it work. Saw, dude. I saw, dude. Just start waving to parked bikes. Saw, dude. See, sometimes it's okay to wave to the right, you know? Sometimes. Oh, brand new gloves. They look fucking good though, let me tell you. But yeah, I gotta break the bitch in though for sure. Okay. Hell yeah, brother. What's up, Scooter? What's up? I felt like he almost just died right there, to be honest. He just full sent it across this busy intersection, man. Alright, these gloves, look. Nice little leather interior. Is this the interior? Is that what that's called? Right here on the palm. Not on the, what is this? There's like padding right there. Can I like fucking point this out for you guys? There's some padding right here. That's kind of it. So I guess if you like, fuck, ooh. But it's a very nice glove. Feels good. $60. I think it's like $59.99 or something like that. But I don't think Indian's gonna be selling them any longer. Or the Indian dealer by me, they said that they're not. They're taking them off the shelves and transitioning to a different glove manufacturer. So if you guys are interested in these gloves, definitely I'd try to pick some up as best you can. It does seem like they run a little large, on the large side, but I don't think they have a medium at least not in my area. There's no mediums available. But beautiful look. There's like a little fucking stamped chingadera right there, and the knuckles are fucking solid. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely sweet gloves. I will definitely be talking more about them as the time goes by, and it's nice to have some Velcro that actually Velcros and stays down. That's pretty cool. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Damn, there's another cop. I feel like I'm seeing them everywhere. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.